Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you who the hell I am and why I want to start a YouTube channel, and I'm going to be transforming from this to this. Just keep watching. So for this creepy clown makeup that I'm going to do on myself today, I got the inspiration from a watercolor painting I did, and this took inspiration from previously face paint that I did on myself, which is basically the same, but in this watercolor I just refined it a bit more, and yeah, I just want to do that. So I'm gonna put that on my face. So I'm gonna start with gluing down my eyebrows so I can draw the new eyebrows, which are gonna be side eyebrows. So my name is Juan and I'm 18. I'm Colombian. I moved to Spain when I was 3, then I came to the UK when I was 11, then I moved back to Spain when I was 15, then I came back when I was 16. The reason why I came to the UK in the first place was to learn English, and that clearly failed. I can't speak properly, and yeah, my life has been a mess and constant moving, but oh well. The reason why I wanted to start this channel is because mainly because I was really bored during quarantine, and I started practicing face paints, makeup, like doing really weird things on my face, drawing people on my face, and I saw that I was actually doing okay at it, and then I was like, so maybe I can just open a channel where I can speak about my art and then show my art through makeup and then show paintings and drawings. Maybe people can appreciate that, and maybe people would like to see that, and I don't know, it could take me somewhere, but if no one can appreciate it, I'll just close the channel and bye, bye. So while my eyebrows are drying, I'm gonna put the white face paint on. I'm currently working as a cleaner because I'm Colombian, I'm Latino. Let's follow the stigma. Latino people are born to be cleaners, we're born to be housekeepers, and yeah, we need to do that. It's in our blood. No, I'm joking. I'm actually working because I want money and I need money to pay for my own things. I'm tired of like asking my mom for money and shit like that. I don't have a beauty blender, I just have this weird triangular shit that my friend gave me. So we'll just use this to blend the cream out, and yeah, hopefully it's not dirty from anything else. This process doesn't have to be perfect. This is creepy makeup, scary makeup, so if it's rough, it looks good if it's rough. So don't try and make it perfect. If like anyone's listening and wants to recreate this, don't try and make it perfect. You're not gonna go out like this. I mean, you can go out if you want to, but it's probably to like a party or something, so don't make it perfect. The most important thing that someone should know about me is that I hate myself. I completely hate myself. I have a hatred for myself that it's horribly big, and that needs to change, but it was worse before. So we're good, we're doing good. And yeah, if my mom was to hear me saying this, she would literally slap me because she doesn't agree with whatever I say. Also, that reminds me that I'm gonna get my A-level results soon, and my mom's probably gonna beat me up. She's probably gonna beat me up, and that's gonna be really scary. So if you guys want to see my mom beat me up, subscribe and like this video, and just wait for the video. So now I'm gonna try contour, but not really. It's like I want my cheeks to have a shadow, a grey shadow. It goes down to give me a bit of shape and make me look a bit more ruthless. So I'm gonna use this brush. Do you get me? Something like that. I'm actually really lucky because like my mom really encouraged me to make this channel as well. She was actually getting angry at me because I was meant to film like a long time ago, but she was getting quite angry at me, saying that I should have done it before, because I don't know, she really wants me to share my art, and she really appreciates what I draw and what I paint and what I do on my face. For the black, I'm using this rip-off copy of the I forgot what the real one's called, but it's a rip-off copy of a famous palette by I something. I imagine it's called something like that. It's a rip-off palette that you can get on Wish for £4, and it brings all of these colours, and they actually all work really good, well, except for the purple one, which is really shit. But get it, it's £4 on Wish, and probably like £2 to send. So just get it. This is great if you want to do face makeup. So now we can powder everything. You can powder the eyebrows first. And I'm using talcum powder, which because when I was first doing these things, I didn't know that I should get, what powder I should get. So I was looking at my house and I found talcum powder, feet powder, and it actually works pretty well. So if you're broke and you have no money, still the powder. The eye is really this thing. Well, I'm showing it to the mirror when I'm supposed to show it to the camera. The eye is really this really little thing. It's really quick and easy, I think. I've never done it before, but it's gonna like make you look sad. I'm gonna give it a try. Alright, it looks fine. Should be a bit more to this side. Now we want to clean the inside with white, so it stands out and it pops out. Now we have to draw on the eyebrows, which for me is the hardest thing to do, because I'm not good at makeup. I'm not good. So the eyebrow should start here and should end by here. That looks fine. That looks okay. We'll just leave it like that. We don't touch it anymore, because if we touch it again, okay, they don't look the same. This one's longer, but we can just cut it a bit shorter. Moving forward, I'm gonna do the blush and then the face, mouth, and yep, that will be it. I like a lot of things. I like to sleep. I like to sleep, and I like to sleep. Yeah, I basically like to sleep. During this quarantine, that's all I've really done, and I shouldn't have. I should be preparing for uni, so like maybe painting, drawing, researching about art history and things like that, because that's what I'm gonna do. So shame on me. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the brush, and I'm gonna probably use these 3 colors to do the mouth color. I want the mouth to go into the cheeks a bit. I'm gonna get the brightest reds, and we're gonna blend that together to give some dimension. Now we're just filling everything with the black. I'm gonna do it with a little brush so I don't make any mistakes. So now what I'm gonna do is make my actual mouth into a tongue. That's what I'm going to do by mixing the reds with a bit of the black. I think we look alike. I think it's pretty well done. If you like this video and if you like this weird look, make sure you like and subscribe. Please, I want to be famous. Just like and subscribe.